right. I want to show you guys how you can shoot a scene and take close-ups, very close-ups on particular gestures, maybe handshake, hugging, trying to pick something, dropping something, and stuff like that. So there's something they call there's a technique that your cast walks into your camera. That is to say, you start recording while your casts walk into the camera. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that technique.
Pablo. Since that day you just come out, nobody see you again.
Mama, if they hear you leave me come on.
I go sit down.
I've taken the first shot. Now I'm still going to repeat this same shot again. Watch. I mean, this time around now, another handshake I want get gone. So are you ready? Action.
See Pablo. You know
But
they come in.
do the handshake again. Wait. No, sorry. Let's go. Do it again.
See Pablo. You don't
Thank you. So they in position. So you can actually make your actors repeat a particular action over and over till you get the desired shot or the particular shot you want. If you watch, they did the handshake and I told them to redo the handshake again so that I can reposition my camera in such a way that I can actually get that handshake gesture. You get? So if you don't get, let's do it again and see. Go apart. We'll do the handshake again like 3-4 times. Are you ready? Action.
Yeah, see Pablo.
Let's do it again. That handshake again.
Yeah, see Pablo. They don't come to see you again.
Let's do it again. That handshake again.
That's 3.
Wait. Oh yeah, let's do it again. Action. Good. Now go far again. Go. So there's another shot you can actually take again. This one is like a detailed shot. I want to take their both reactions. I want to take his reaction and his facial expression, him and the facial expression for this other guy. Let's do it. Remember that line. So now watch and then action.
Yeah, see Pablo. They don't come to see you again.
Yeah, Matty, I don't go in your uncle.
Nah, lie. I say it must down. I say it call that yeah.
But action. Let's do it again. Yes. So are you ready? And then action.
Yeah, see Pablo. They don't come to see you again.
I'm on me there, I no go where I know where I
They told that day I see you. I must down. Pablo. They don't come to see you again.
I'm on me there, I no go where I know where I
They told that day I see you. I must down. I say it. That day they know better.